Hello students, this video is in continuation of the earlier video of the story The Mating Pool by Ruskin Bond. This text is found in the book BA Part 3rd, Paper 2nd English Literature that is prescribed for that is prescribed in MGS University Bikaner. The present text is found in the textbook on page 3 and it is from the last paragraph of the story. This is the climax part of the story. In the middle part of the story, the narrator Rusty describes how the three friends Anil, Somi and including him they played and enjoyed in their boyhood life, how they made many mischiefs near about the pool which Rusty had discovered. In this paragraph, the narrator again comes on the main theme of the story, the center point of the story, that is the pledge which they had taken, which was that all the three friends, after 10 years' time, would meet at the pool, which was discovered by them. They will certainly reach and meet there in whatever condition they would be. It was decided by them. Now I come on the text, that is on the page number 3 of the textbook. The text is, and what of the pool and our pledge to come back after 10 years? The narrator, Rusty, reaches at the pool and he thinks what happened of the pool and what happened of their pledge after 10 years' time. In April, I happened by chance to be in the same part of the country. In April, Rusty happened by chance to be in the same part of the country where their school was situated, and he decided that at least would keep my part of the pledge. He decided that he would keep his part of the pledge of meeting after 10 years' time. But I could not find the pool. But when he reached there, he could not find the pool. I found the ravine. Ravine means valley. He found the valley and the bed of shingle. Shingle are the small pebbles. He found the small pebbles there, but there was no pool. There was no water. The stream had changed its course. The water had changed its course, its way, just as we had changed ours. It is the law of nature that everything changes with the passing of the time, as uh, in the story, the water had changed its way as we means the three friends had changed their way. They had moved forward in their lives. I waited in the ravine for 2 or 3 hours. Rusty says that he waited in the ravine in the valley for 2 or 3 hours, but no one came. But no one reached there. I suppose it was foolish of me to expect anyone. He felt that it was foolish of him to expect anyone to reach there. Somi must have been with his unit. He thinks that Somi must have been busy with his unit. Anil occupied with the business of living, and Anil also would be busy. Occupied means busy with the business of living. He would have been doing something to earn his living. Probably they both had families. It is probable that they both had families. I was the only one who had not really grown up. He felt himself foolish. He felt that he had not really grown up as he had reached there to fulfill his pledge.